Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Fundamental English. In the series of modal verbs or modals, my today's topic is must. Meaning of must suggests something compulsory, necessary, mandatory or something that is unavoidable. When we use must as a noun, for example in the sentence like vocational education is a must. It means vocational education is compulsory, necessary or need of the time. Second example we can see must used as a noun, like it is a must to maintain safe distance. Again it is a must suggests that it is compulsory, it is not avoidable, and so we see that the must is a word that exerts an expression of something strong, something compulsory, necessary, etc. Let's see how we use this word must as a modal verb. First of all, must is used to express strong possibility or probability or assumption. For example, it must rain today. Here the speaker is nearly sure that it's going to rain today. Maybe he or she has read or heard the weather forecasting. Maybe he or she can read the clouds and the weather, and the speaker is 80 to 90% sure that it will rain today. So he said it must rain today. Next, assumption. Example sentence: you must be hungry. It means you can assume for someone that he or she must be hungry, means definitely he is hungry. Maybe the speaker knows that the person has not eaten anything for 5 or 6 hours, or someone has informed earlier. So he can strongly assume that you must be hungry. Next uses obligation, rule or laws. When something becomes obligation on us or you, something is followed as a rule or something is a law to be abided. Then must is used to express that we must wear mask. Wearing mask has become a rule or a part of law these days. Next example, we must keep to the left on the road. It means it is a rule of the road that keeping to the left is compulsory for safety. It is a law, it is a rule, it is a safety measure to remain on the left on the road. Or obligation, obligation we can say that one must be regular and punctual at the workplace, in the class or in the examination hall. So must be regular, must be punctual. If one is not regular, not punctual, so he or she is going to suffer some problem or lose something. Next use is strong advice or recommendation. When someone feels something compulsory, something very much important to do, so gives advice or recommends something with full confidence that someone must do like this or like that. For example, you must consult the doctor. It means the speaker is feeling that it is necessary for the second person to go to the doctor, otherwise he or she may suffer. Second example, you must see the Taj. It is recommendation. It means I have already seen the Taj, I liked it very much and I can strongly recommend to the second person that he or she also must see the Taj, that is so good or so nice to be there. Prohibition. when you suggest something or advise or recommend, you can also say it in negative way. You can also advise something to someone not to do something with the same confidence. So you say, we must not interfere when two people are talking. Mostly this sentence is used with the kids, with the students, and we teach our children that this is a manner that we must not interfere, or you must not interfere when two people are talking. And past probability. When something was probable or possible in the past, and you assume that it was possible, that it must have been in the last days or past, then we use must with have and the third form of the main verb. The sentence is, for example, you must have graduated. It means it is possible that you have already passed or finished, completed your graduation in your student life. So this was how we use the word must as a modal verb, and I tried my best to make it clear, and I am sure it is clear to you also. Finally, I request again to please like, share, subscribe and comment on the videos. Thank you for watching.